right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we're still building our text to SQL project. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. If you recall, yesterday we were having a hiccup with our project being run on the Google Colab. So I did take a little time, set it aside to make sure I can actually get it to run, even though we got it working in the VS Code. We're up to speed with the instructor. We're at the same exact level where the instructor is. I still wanted to take some time to work on the Google Colab to see if we can get it working on our own without any help from the instructor, without any input, just doing some good old fashioned research. So let's see what we came up with tonight. You recall yesterday when we tried to actually run the let me get this really quickly. If you recall last night when we tried to run the program, it actually told us that we actually had a database already in action, so we couldn't access the one that we were trying to use. So we had a hiccup with that, and we were attempting to fix it. So let's see if we had any luck tonight. And of course, I am running the program and I'm running my recording equipment at the same time, so it may be a little slow, so bear with me. But it looks like everything is firing right up. We got this far yesterday. Let's see if we can get even further. Okay, we can at least enter inputs. Let's see if we can enter in the question or query. Did I spell multitasking wrong? Yeah, I forgot now this is what we got jammed up yesterday. Let's see what happens when we try it again today. See if we were able to fix it. Bam. Now it still looks a little funky because it is coming out multiples instead of just the one response, but there it is. As you can see, we successfully fixed our model on the Google Colab ourselves. Like I said, the instructor isn't even using the Google Colab, he's using a different editor himself. So I had to figure out exactly what's going on and tailor everything to this particular editor myself. Like I said, it does look a little funky, but as you can see, it is working. Which student is in the multitasking section? As you can see, Delia, working travel, multitasking. So again, I was able to successfully troubleshoot and debug our program and get it running successfully in the Google Colab. Even though it does look a little funky again for the third time, it is printing out multiple times. It is printing and it is giving us the correct response to our query. So I'll call that a one for now. I don't want to go too much further in the Google Colab because we still do have to move forward in the VS Code and see exactly what the instructor came up with in this particular issue. Even though we all having the same issue, I was able to solve mine in the Google Colab. So the next step is going to be walking through with the instructor to solve it for the VS Code as we move forward. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.